Hi friends, this is Lady Flora, and if you're new to this channel, I have a 5-year-old girl songbird and a 2.5-year-old boy man cub. Also, I am 27 weeks pregnant as we speak. We make lots of other videos on this channel about homeschooling, homeschool adventures, curriculum reviews, and day in the life videos, so if you're interested in that, then you can subscribe if you like. So today I wanted to tell you about something that my daughter got as a present, and this is not a sponsored video at all, but we got a Goldi Blox kit, and I don't know if you've heard of those, but it's a character named Goldi, and she's a girl engineer, or she likes to do engineering type things. So this is the box that it came in. It's the Goldi Blox and the movie machine, and you are basically making a zoetrope. It's really cool. Read, build, and make movies. So it comes with a book and a project, and it even comes with a little toy, which is a little cat of this guy, but I cannot find it at the moment. I know the kids have been playing with it and they love it, and it's probably around here somewhere, but I figured I would just go ahead and make the video first and maybe I'll find it later. But this is the book that it comes with. I'll show you that in just a second. But this is where all the pieces were, and my husband and daughter put it together. Songbird, she is 6, and as you can see, it says ages 6+. And so this was a little bit challenging for her, but my husband said it was very simple to put together, and this is what it looks like. This is our zoetrope, and it takes up a little bit of counter space. And I'm not really sure where to store it, but I absolutely love it. And it comes with these cards that are numbered, and the cards tell the story. And this is Goldi's friend Ruby, and here she is doing the robot dance. And the cards are numbered, and then there's a little area that is numbered so you know where to put the cards. So see, there's the number right there, and then all the numbers just kind of line up, and then basically you look through the slots and you turn it, and Ruby does the robot dance. So it's really, really cool. It comes with 3 different sets of animations. This boy flipping a skateboard, and this girl playing the drums. And then there's one that you kind of make yourself, which is a fish. And I think the fish is supposed to sort of jump in the air. And there are stickers that come so you can make the fish. And then they even give you ideas for making more cards. And now occasionally, the only complaint I have is that occasionally this thing will come off. But I think that's just because my daughter is being a little bit rough with it. And it's super easy to just pop right back on. So the book that it comes with is really cool. It's actually got a little story in here. And yes, it does come with an app, but we don't really use apps right now in our family, like with our children. So we didn't get the app, so I can't really review it. But when you open the book, it gives you all the little materials and all the things that you use to make it's basically a zoetrope. And then there's a little story in here about Goldi and her friends. It's really cute because here she is, like this little inventor girl, and she has like a cat, a grumpy cat, and a happy dog. And yeah, so that's the base. That is the base of the zoetrope. They're calling it a spatula, and it's got these 2 pieces here. And here there's a lot of story here, which is really fun. Story about a film festival being canceled, and then she invites her friends over, and they've got these little like Instagram like ats or something, like at This Is Rails, at Lee Gravity, My daughter doesn't even know what that means. But if you're not into social media, I don't know if you would like this, but for us, honestly, she's not into it. She didn't even notice it. It's not like a big part of the story. Here are some other pieces where they tell you how to put together the wheels. And this is one of the wheels, and the other wheel is under the zoetrope, which is really cool. So here's where you get the stickers to make your own fish cards, and then it shows the fish bouncing up and down. And this is where the stickers were. But then it gives you ideas on little movies that you can make on your own. So you've got some seaweed, you've got a wave, you've got a clock, a flower growing, a house, a jellyfish, a melting snowman. So cool. Now my daughter probably wouldn't try to do this on her own. She would need a lot of coaxing from us to kind of make her own. But an older child, I could definitely see, you know, maybe an 8-year-old, I could definitely see trying to make their own animations. And then it comes with these tickets, which I think is so cute. So that way you can kind of like give the tickets out to your family, and they can come and see their movie that you made. And then there's, you know, there's the app and some stuff like that. Okay, my son is taking it apart now. So this was a really cool kit. I was really pleasantly surprised. I had heard of Goldi Blox kits before, but I didn't know what they were involved in. I wasn't sure if my daughter was old enough for them. And I just thought this was great. So I wanted to make this video so you guys could see how great it is. And this was given to my daughter as a present. And I don't know how much it was, but I remember the lady saying that it wasn't that expensive. So that was nice. I thought this was just a subscription service, but I guess not. I guess you can get the boxes individually. But, I mean, this is so great. I love that there's a story. I love that there's instructions, step-by-step instructions. I love that there are options on how to make your own animations, so you're not just stuck using what they provided you. I mean, it's a really inspiring project, and movie making is kind of a thing in our family. Like, we kind of love movie making, and this is just a really exciting way to introduce it to a child who is 6 years old and older. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I highly recommend it. I think it's a lot of fun. My only complaint is that it's big and bulky and I don't know where to store it, but we could probably take it apart and put it back together. That's probably what we'll do. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. And now I want to hear what you have to say, so comment away and go outside and have a sublime day.